morning!
Good morning!
It is another day. We're gonna go explore. We have the day off today, so we're gonna be doing some waterfalls, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna go chase some waterfalls.
Yeah.
That's right.
He has his camera set up already, all bougie and whatnot. We're gonna take some bomb pictures, but first we gotta get the essentials, right?
Coffee and food, yes, that's right.
So let's go over there.
Let's go Starbucks.
Alright, well we forgot, but like we were that hungry and thirsty, but we got the coffee down. We got some Jack in the Box sandwiches to pull us through. It's a 3-hour drive, so we gotta go now.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Do that model strut. Alright, we've arrived at our first waterfall out of, I believe, 3 that we're hitting today. It was a pretty quick drive. I mean, with the scenery that we have, 3 hours go by really fast compared to like when I'm in Vegas. It's all desert wherever I go. But oh my goodness, look. You can just see and hear the water. So beautiful. I'm in love. Look at this. So sad I'm leaving soon. It's so pretty. Just like hearing it, the walk is nice. Like it's so pretty.
The sound of water is so soothing.
It's very soothing. Something of me really wants to walk that lodge, but I shouldn't.
Yeah, that's...
I'm like, oh.
Yeah, part of me wants to do it as
well. Should we try it? He's going for it. You did it!
I know. I was like, I really made it that far, and I was like, oh, my legs are shaking.
Oh, I'm sure.
They're moving like up and down.
Let me try.
Yeah? Want me to hold it?
Yeah.
Oh, this girl, she's gonna attempt to do something a little reckless. Well, let's see. Let's see what she... Careful, Nayeli. Don't you fall, Nayeli. Is that as far as you're gonna make it? She's doing it, people. She's doing it. That tree is... Yeah, that tree does move. And it moves, huh? It moves. It moves a lot more once you make it closer to the middle, yeah. Yeah, you get there? You get there?
I need a hand.
What do you mean?
I need your help.
To come back? Alright, let's go. Let's go save this
I don't have the proper shoes.
this lady in distress. Alright, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Just like you.
Oh, see, this is easy.
Shut up.
I don't have the proper shoes, you know?
You were looking a little nervous there.
Yeah, you know, it's something.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, she
like
made it that far. She
I
made it
literally
to
made
right
it by
there.
the rock.
Like right there.
See, if I look at it, I think I can do it. But once going in, it's more probable that I will fall down.
Hey, that would have been great footage, though.
You know what? I have yours. That's all that matters.
Okay.
One of us could do it.
I'll give you the camera back. I was gonna fall. Imagine I fall.
Oh my gosh.
Hold it wet. Like that's not very.
Because that is just something. Oh wow. Y'all, we made it. Super nice hike, honestly. There's your ups and downs, your bridges that you go for. Yo, what world am I in? Okay, this is so pretty. Like, I gotta show you. I gotta stop talking. Just admire it with me. Like, okay, I want to be in the background. Hold on. Well, I want to be in front so y'all can see. Saluda, Christian. Look how pretty. And then, I mean, the wood in the back. Non-paid actors over here. Like, woo. Lord, you are good for creating, like, these wonders. Oh my gosh. This is just perfection. So pretty. Like, I'm in my happy place. Like, ain't this two beautiful sceneries? All right, I'm gonna take a moment to just sink it all in before I actually don't fall.
Covered in like mud and stuff.
Oh, I know. Adventures with Nayeli continue. Cause I fell, like, pretty bad. Huh.
We learned something new today. Do not walk over an ice bridge.
Yeah, you know.
They tend to break.
They tend to break. They weren't as sturdy as I thought, I guess. They couldn't handle all this. So yeah, I don't know if you want to show the people what we're dealing with. Oh, here, I'll hold this. Oh, okay. So look, the statement of today, we ripped this. We'll get new ones, I guess.
Yep,
so beautiful. Yep. It's the new wear. You know, coming 2023. This is what's gonna be on style. Mud everywhere. You know, it's all good. And we're gonna go to dinner today with some of our cousins.
There we go.
That's gonna be so much fun.
Battle scars.
Then we're gonna go shopping. You know, a good excuse. Definitely battle scars, I'm sure. Hold on. Yeah.
Look at that. Oh shoot! Wow. Oh shoot! Dang.
We'll run it through some water. We'll be fine. This is how you know I'm a clumsy person, because I'm used to falls. But I managed to save my camera.
Priorities, like, right? Priorities.
Baby.
Oh my god.
Priorities.
Terrible.
All right, and we still have 2 more to do.
Yeah.
We'll see what new adventures we come up with.
Let's hope Nayeli survives this.
Let's hope so. All right, we made it. Oh, you can leave it open actually. Yeah, no, the door. All right, we made it in one piece, semi.
Semi.
We made it down at least pretty well. We're gonna take our shoes off so we don't dirty, you know. Oh, Christian scar. My knee. The sleigh just kind of stings a little bit.
Yeah, it's salty. It's gotta burn.
Yeah. But we're good, you know. Christian says that I fell gracefully.
Yeah.
It's what I do after tons of falls.
She's a pro at it, guys.
Yeah. I may not be poised, but at least I fall gracefully. It's definitely worth that, though. It's really pretty. Oh, you got me covered over there.
I've been used to it in a bit. I don't know how when this might have expired. I don't know if they expired.
I don't know.
It was a wound cleanser that I've used in the past.
Oh, it's gonna sting. I don't know about that.
You want me to spray a little?
Yeah, we can. Hold on. Oh, it's gonna sting.
you bend this. Yeah, you want me to spray it? It might not. It doesn't.
Hold on, let me see if I can get this. All right.
You can like
Yeah.
like a little so it doesn't drip on your socks.
Oh, you're right. Okay. Oh. Okay, it's not bad.
Yeah, this one's not meant to burn
Sting?
like that.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, good. I thought that was gonna be way worse. Okay. We couldn't record the fall, but we'll record this process for y'all.
Battle scars. Amateur hikers, that's what happens.
No, not even that. Oh, clumsy hikers.
Maybe. Think you need.
I don't think so.
No, you'll be okay, right?
Yeah, I think they're just more scratches of the rocks rather than anything else. Oh my gosh. Look at this. My goodness.
Yeah, you are so clean, and look at you now.
I know.
Okay.
Alright, I think I'm good. Let's go for number 2. We made it to the second one. Pretty nice drive up, just very short. And this is the Horsetail Fall, I believe? Yeah, Horsetail Fall. So this one doesn't require a big hike. It's more of just like your normal, just, you know, you walk in, you're parking. There's pretty much good public parking out here. And you can just walk down a little bit and we'll get a little bit more clear view. I don't know how much you can hear me and how much you can hear from the fall, but I'll have you guys hear it in a bit. But it's gorgeous. All right, let's go. Alright, so that was it for Cascada number 2. So waterfall 2 down, 1 more to go. That was a success. I didn't fall. That would be a disgrace if I fell, to be honest. This is kid friendly, Exploradora approved apparently. So, so beautiful. I just can't stop hearing like the waterfalls. You ready? I said, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Let's go.
The adventure continues.
It sure does.
Yeah, we have 2 more waterfalls that we're gonna get to right now. Actually, 3. There's one on the way.
Oh, that's right. Wait, 2 more or 3? Oh, 2 more?
Well, there's 2 more, but there's an extra one on the way.
Oh, okay.
It's a really short walk too.
I said this one's Nayeli approved apparently. It's Exploradora approved.
Yeah, this is good.
Like
right
if I would have fallen, that would have been a disgrace. Be like, really, Nayeli, we gotta get home. I can't.
I'm like, no, okay.
Yeah.
I'm like, no more walking for you,
No.
Nayeli. Let me get you a walker real quick.
Literally.
A wheelchair, maybe something.
Something.
I don't know. Honestly, you know those things where they put the babies? What are they called? Baby walkers? I don't know.
A stroller?
A stroller or something?
Maybe.
Something like that. Goodness.
I know.
It's so scary. I'm like, oh my god. There's a dude walking on. There's nothing. I'm like, okay.
You need to concentrate.
I know. I do. Nervous. Look at that road. It's so tiny.
You can't hear.
Yeah.
You can't see with music. Huh?
Panicking over here.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's because it was playing the same song for the third time in a row. I was like, okay, I'm gonna go crazy now. I like it, but not that much, you know. Mujeres. Okay, look at that waterfall. Okay.
And a 3, a 2, a 1. Oh, ya merito. No, todavía no. Oh, right there. Yeah. Okay, 3rd location, and this is the. Hold on, you say it and then I'll lip sync.
Noma Falls?
Okay, there was a lag there, but it's Maloma.
Yeah.
Maloma. Maluma. Manumana. So this is the fall that everyone sees in pictures. This is the one where it's like the bridge in the middle and like the I'll show you. But it's a really good one. We came like 4 years ago? No, 3?
4 years.
Like 3 or 4 years ago. And now I can't wait to see it again because I hadn't seen it since. So let's go. ¿Listos?
Pasó, mi güerita. ¡Ah, mi güera! ¡Qué bonito ahí, mi güera! ¡Está bien bonito! ¡Hola! ¡Hola!
Alright, we just finished the Manamana. The Maluma Falls. They were so beautiful. You just sit there and you're just like, ah. Or afraid we just like stand. Luckily we got lucky that there weren't a lot of people, so we were to get some really cool pictures. But now we are in Wakina Falls. Right, they're beautiful. Oh, just keeps getting better. And we're back at it again with another waterfall. You just keep on going through this little like scenic route. The scene of like the route, the scenic route is so beautiful. Like, oh, the trees, the sun going through the trees. I am in love. Nature, you stole my heart. So now this hike or this fall is called Coral Falls. I'll show you 1 second. Christian out here doing big things.
Okay, I think let me see that lighting.
A ver. Wow. Check his Instagram for the final cut. Ah! Yo, it's so beautiful. I definitely got some, you know, wetness, but Christian's out here taking like bomb pictures, and he just loves photography. He takes pictures of nature and what there is to see in Washington and in Oregon. Just so beautiful. So big shout out to you, and yeah, let's go discover what's next. Saludos a la cámara. The sun is going down, so that means our adventures for the waterfalls have come to an end.
Sadly.
Ugh, it was a beautiful time.
Oh, look at this. Oh, the sunset. Oh, shoot.
Oh, that was a nice sunset.
It's pretty.
On the next adventure we have, we're actually gonna get together with some of my cousins that live in Portland, Oregon. Now, I haven't seen them in a really long time. So I'll be seeing my cousin Brad, Elsie, and Antoniette like a long time. I'm excited. He's never met them, so we'll hang out. We're gonna go to dinner. So it's about 45 minutes from where we're at right now. And then from there, we're just gonna chit chat and I'll show you what we get. For some reason, I was telling Christian that every time I come to Washington, Oregon, what do I always get?
Clam chowder.
Clam chowder. It just hits different here, I guess. It's like se antoja, you know? You're just like in the mood for it. Yeah, so it's just like, it's the mood, you know, it's the food mood, I guess. But I'm hungry. You hungry?
I'm starving, honestly. I'm so hungry.
Like, we had the cafecito, you know, and we had a little sandwich from Jack, and we bought some like Ritz peanut butter, and that's what's holding us down. So we need some food in our system after chasing these waterfalls.
Yeah, some real food.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's been a day.
Yeah. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see my cousins. I'm so excited to eat. All excitement all around. And sadly, I mean, I'm leaving tomorrow, so gotta make the best of it. Enjoy nature to its fullest. But let's check out this freaking sunset. It's beautiful. Alright, we got to Target. Told my cousins to meet me here because I need to buy some last minute things for tomorrow's traveling things, necessities, that you guys will find out where I'm traveling or how I'm traveling next. We're done with planes and now we're on to the next adventure, but we're waiting for my cousins here at Target. So they said they're here, just keeping an eye out. We'll see. Hey, look who's there! Alright, we are reunited. We got some food. My battery is so low because I'm so hungry. Him too. We're so hungry. So we came to Chick-fil-A. Yeah, we're gonna spend time with them. They're ordering right now, and so we'll see, you know, what we catch up with. Right, Christian?
Mm-hmm. What
yeah.
she said.
Yeah, exactly.
No,
so tired, I know. And then we have a, what, 3.5 hour?
Around there?
3.5 hour drive back home. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow for tomorrow's adventure, for our goodbyes. Alright, let's enjoy some food.
Bye.
Bye. So these are my cousins, y'all.
How's it going?
The long lost cousins.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right.
As they're learning to do that themselves. Yeah. Good morning. It is Friday, the day of our departure. Oregon, Washington, you have been very, very good to me. And now, as in every video, I am gonna do the whole like letter thing. So I'm gonna leave it in his fridge, and for him I chose Scar. So I already wrote the letter, and let's go put it in the fridge. Alright, mister, you ready?
Let's go.
It's too early, huh? It's just too early for this. We only got like, what, 4 hours of sleep? We got home at like...
I got 4, you got like
3? Otra vez.
that was on purpose.
It was on purpose. The transition. Alright, bye, casita. Alright, we have arrived to our departure. It's really quiet, so I don't want to be super loud. And the reason why we only got like 3.5 hours, I would say, I went to sleep like almost at 2 in the morning, woke up at 5:30. Do the math, it's not a lot. But it was so much fun yesterday. we watched a lot and we saw a lot of waterfalls. And then I got to see my cousins, which is really cool. But it is like a 3.5, almost 4-hour drive from where they live to where we were at with all the waterfalls to where my friend lives. My friend lives on the southeast side of Washington, so it's more like the countryside of things. So yeah, we had a very long drive home. And then after that I just like showered, got my maleta ready, like all like luggage all done. I packed it up. Was great. My backpack for some reason feels heavier than what I brought it, but I think it's because I didn't like pack correctly. Anyways, it's okay. It's all set here. It's all good. And I went to sleep like almost at 2 o'clock, but nonetheless we are here, safe, on time. We got our ticket, so we are all set and to embark this new adventure. And I can't wait to show you guys. I can't wait to experience it with you guys. This trip was just like something super awesome. Got to spend a lot of time with my friend. Glad he didn't last minute cancel on me, so thank you. but yeah, no, it was a lot of fun. And I'll give you a clue, but take a guess what our next transportation is. Sounds good? I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.